Hey guys, I'm Ravi and welcome to the second tutorial of web scraping series. So today we are going to learn that how we can scrap a website that is actual website we can say or more complex. In the previous video, we have scrapped a website that was just containing a simple table and that was also a local HTML page I have created on my system. So let's start. So I'll first show you the website that is this website, and this is free for learning web scraping. Okay, so you can see that in this website there are some items listed. You can compare it with Amazon or Flipkart. Okay, so these items are listed and some features of items written here and some price of item written here. So, suppose you want to collect data of items, suppose mobile phones or any search. So, you can collect data for your various purposes. Okay, so that is web scraping. So, we are going to scrape this data. That is okay, but how you will get idea that in this way or that way we are going to scrape the data. So for that you have to understand the structure of this page. So by just seeing the UI, you cannot say that you cannot estimate the structure of this page. So you have to open DevTools. So what is the command? Control Shift I will open DevTools for you. After that, you will go to the elements. Okay, and you can inspect the elements on page. So I'll click on this inspect element and I'll show here. So you can see that every item is listed in a div. Okay, so we have to find all divs first. Okay, after that you see that in a div, that is just a image. After that in a div we have a anchor tag which having a class name title. Okay, after that we have p tag which have class name, description and card text, etc. Okay, so we have to extract the information of divs. After that, anchor tag with title class and the paragraph tag with description class and the another h4 text. Okay, h4 tag. So in this way, we are going to scrap this page. So this is the basic idea you will use for scrapping any web page. You have to inspect the web page and then work with that. Okay, so the new library from previous video you will require is request. Okay, so this library will be useful for getting a web page data. Okay, so you have to install it. I hope you know how to install. Okay, so let us run. So I have imported libraries. So I'll collect my data of web page in this R object. So how we can get website data? So requests dot get and we provide website link. Okay. So I have provided this website link here. Okay. So when we get the response, so the website is inside this R object. So now the as we have followed in our previous video, so now we will create a soup object by just using beautiful soup and providing r dot content. So this is a new thing that r is containing the entire web page and r dot content will provide us the complete HTML code and we will use HTML parser as before. Okay, so I have inspected the soup. So this is a web page. Okay, you can see here there are some meta tag and all, and after that you can see here we have our div tags. Okay, so we have to find this is a div tag. Okay, so we have to find all divs. Okay, so we will find soup dot find all div and class is equals to card body. Okay, so we have a method in soup dot find all object. The method is class underscore. Okay, so we'll use class underscore, that is card body. So we are finding all the divs that are having class is card body. Or we have seen here also that we have to find which divs, this div and this div have class, you can see here, card body. So we are finding all divs which having class card body, or you can use another class also, as we have seen another class also on these divs. Okay, so uh, we can use with the class card body. Okay, after that we have find all the divs. So I have printed all the divs. So here is a list of all the divs with class card body. Okay, so I have run this, and after that I have collected all the divs, and I will check the length of divs because it is a list. Or so check how many items are there. So you can see that three divs are there, or in this website also three divs which we require are there. Okay, so in this way you can work here. Okay, so we have checked the divs. After that, what we have to find, we have to find a data. So we are creating a table. So I have named a list table data, and I have found for card in divs. Okay, so there are um, we are creating a element card in divs. So we are iterating a div, and iterated object we named as card. Okay, so first div, first card, second card, third card. In this way we will proceed. So we'll find image also. So card dot find. So card is another HTML object. So we can use find method. So card dot find img, and this we use for getting attribute of an HTML tag. So you can see that img is an HTML tag, and inside that we have src. So we use this square bracket for getting the attribute of an element HTML tag. Okay, so we have collected image. Then same in the same way we have found the card dot find h4 tag, that is containing price. Okay, and we have provided class also. If we not have provided class, then also it was okay, because there was a only h4 tag containing price in the uh, card. Okay, so we have converted it into text because we removed the uh, tags of the h4 tags before and after the price. Okay, after that similarly we have collected the title that was in anchor tag, and class was title, I have showed you before, and converting it into text. After that we found description in the same way, and review count in the same way. So review count was here shown here, 4 reviews, 14 reviews. So we collected each information from this web page. And rating also. So rating was in stars, you can see here. The rating was star shown here. Okay, so I think we are unable to collect rating because it was an image or an icon also. But I have tried to get this, but we were unable to collect that. Okay, so as we were unable to collect, I have not included here also. Okay, so after that, what I have done, that table data, that was our list, and I have appended the data we have collected in this sequence. Okay, after that we created a data frame. Simply, I provided table data, and in the same sequence I have provided the column names. Okay, so as I got the data, you can see that this is our scrapped data that contains image link, name, price, features, number of reviews, and stars. So in this way we can do web scraping in a better manner. I'll show you image link because this image link is relative. Okay, you can see this is relative image link, so that will work here only, I think. Static slash. So I think we cannot directly access this, or we can access with this route. Yeah, you can see this is the image link. So we have collected much information from this page, and I hope you liked my video. And in the next tutorials, I'll try to explain some more aspects of web scraping. So thank you guys for watching, and that's all for now.